happy and a vibrant day. Myself Sushmita Sahu, and today I am here with Science of Class 8 with NCERT syllabus. So, and here I have compiled the question and answers of from lesson 7 to lesson 12. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here, first thing I would like to say, for exam, this I have done compiled, I have done just because for your examination. This year we had the online, and in online the lessons are not very clear. All my lessons have my video links also where I have explained the lessons. So kindly visit them, read your lesson and then do the question and answers. I am sure all the objective you will be able to do, and here I am giving only the long or 2-3 line answers. So let's begin with lesson 7. Lesson 7 is conservation of plants and animals, and the differences are here again. Here the differences of wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, zoo, wildlife sanctuary, endangered species, extinct species, flora and fauna is given. Be careful, you read it properly, understand it. It's very important throughout your life. So in map of India we have shown you the national parks. You can just imagine, put the map in your mind and you can imagine where all we have the national parks. Very nice question. This is cell structure. Now we come to our lesson chapter 8, cell structure and function. And this is a nerve cell, structure of a nerve cell. In science, always remember, wherever you can make diagram, make it. पूछे गए हो चाहे नहीं पूछे गए हो, पर आपको डायग्राम बना देना चाहिए अगर आपको आता है. And the diagram should be well labeled. This diagram is not labeled, but you need to make a labeled diagram. Like axon show करना चाहिए, dendroid show करना चाहिए, nucleus show करना चाहिए. Animal and plant cell showing the differences. Eukaryotics and prokaryotics, very important, you should know. Eu means starting, prokaryotic is membrane bound organelles, and eukaryotics are membrane less organs. Reproduction in animals, there is a difference between zygote and fetus, usually as this is asexual reproduction. One of the method of asexual reproduction, budding. Then internal fertilization, external fertilization, this all is very important throughout your life. तुम्हें इन terms को समझना है और हमेशा जिंदगी में ये काम आएंगे. Reaching the age of adolescence, especially the children of class 8, they are of this age, so they should know the difference, the changes they are going through in their body, they are seeing it, they are feeling it, and the emotional changes they are going through. Endocrine and glands and hormones, you should be very clear what are endocrine glands and what hormone does it secrete. All the short notes are very important. Adam's apple, secondary sexual characters, very important. Sex determination in an unborn baby. Force and pressure, everyday feature of the life. Lesson 12, friction. study well and hard, and don't forget to read your lessons. Read your lessons, go through my video links, they are given down in the your description box. हर लेसन का वीडियो लिंक जरूर देखिएगा, लेसन को पहले समझिएगा, फिर रीड करिएगा, फिर समझिएगा, एंड देन डू ऑल योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स यहाँ नहीं दिए गए हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आपको अपने आप करने हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपसे ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं करते बन रहा है मतलब कि आपको लेसन समझ नहीं आया है. विद दिस, टेक केयर, बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट.